In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send a Word document to WhatsApp on a laptop. So what you need to do is open up WPS Office and then go ahead and find the document that you want to send. So I'm going to open up this important document and it's going to open it up and we can then go ahead and share it. So here we are inside of the document. Now what we can do is we can first download it to our computer, then we can share it on WhatsApp via WhatsApp web. So if we go to File in the top left hand corner, we can then go Save As, and I'm just going to save it as a WPS Word document format. You could also choose here .docs for Microsoft Word document. I'll actually do this, then we can go ahead and save it to this PC. So you want to save it to your local computer. I'll save it to this PC and we'll just save it to my downloads, and I'll just keep it as important document. We'll click Open and we'll click Save. So now this will be in our downloads here. We can go ahead and open up the downloads. We can do that manually through File Explorer, or if you click on the folder icon, it will open up the downloads here. So here we are in the downloads. Here you can see we've got the document here. Now let's go ahead and minimize out of this, and we need to open up WhatsApp. So here we are in WhatsApp. I'm on WhatsApp web. I've already connected my phone to WhatsApp web. If you haven't, you need to go web.whatsapp.com. Then there will be a QR code which you can scan on your WhatsApp app so you can connect the two together. Now once you're in WhatsApp web, go ahead and create a new chat. So I'm going to click here plus, and we'll choose just myself, right, to send the file. Now you can click on the plus icon, you can then click document. It will then open your File Explorer. Then go to wherever the file is. Mine is in downloads. We can click on the document, we can click open, and there you go, we've got the document. We can click send, and it's now sending this document, and that is all you've got to do to send your Word document to WhatsApp.